Why does your scanner show the P1165 engine code? What does it mean? P1165 is a diagnostic trouble code for air or fuel ratio sensor, one circuit range or performance. This engine code indicates a problem with the air or fuel ratio sensor circuit in which experiencing a range or performance issue, meaning the sensor is not providing accurate readings about the air-fuel mixture in the engine. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty air or fuel ratio sensor, exhaust leaks, heater malfunction, fuel system problems, wiring issues, PCM issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code can appear in most modern vehicles with an OBD2 system, which includes vehicles manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Honda, Infiniti, Ford, Nissan, and most Toyota models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.